George Mallet and Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Chris Nelson are out in the elements tonight. Chris and George, how's it going out there tonight, guys?
And George, now we turn our attention from 6 o'clock. We were doing this, 4, 5, and 6.
Yeah.
We had snow, and now we got some of this. We got a little bit of ice.
Yeah, and I can feel it coming down right now. You know, my standard line has always been that TV producers don't believe it's snowing unless there's a reporter out standing in it.
Yep.
And I guess the same thing can be said about ice, huh?
And right now, yes, this is what I was worried about. I'm all right with snow. I think most of us can deal with snow if you have several inches, but then you take 4 to 6 inches of snowfall and you add all this ice. There's probably about a couple hundred inches of ice on our cars. Right. Put that on top of snow and there's going to be all kinds of chaos.
No kidding around, folks. I mean, you're going to want to take it easy tomorrow morning and throughout the day.
Absolutely. So let's take a look at snowfall totals to start here, and they've been ranging anywhere from about 3 to as much as 6 inches of snowfall. The highest I saw from our observers were about 5.5 inches or so. That was in Thompson. Our radar system right now still showing some dry air, but we're going to keep up that winter storm warning until 6 o'clock tomorrow. The dry air is impeding the fact that we're not looking at snow, but there's still enough moisture in this low that is squeezing out freezing drizzle, and that's what's causing all the ice around our area. So again, we're going to see this winter storm warning running until 6 o'clock, and we're going to see, I think, not only freezing drizzle the rest of the night, George, but we're going to see, I think, some more snow for tomorrow, and then the winds pick up once again, and we're going to see winds probably as strong as 40 miles an hour. And you had an interesting quote again. If it's not really windy out, it doesn't feel as cold, right? And that's
right. That's a very Midwestern thing to say, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I was talking about the roads. I want to show you some video here. This is actually from western Iowa, off of I-80. A delivery truck has gone off the road and down an embankment. State troopers out there, the driver of the truck, and then boom, this pickup truck comes flying off the road as well, down the embankment, narrowly missing the driver of the delivery truck. This was all captured with the dash cam in that delivery truck. Fortunately, everybody's okay, but it just goes, it's an example of how careful we need to be out there on those treacherous roads.
Right, and if you don't have to travel tonight or even early tomorrow morning with this ice and all this snow, stay off the roads. By the time we get to probably 6 o'clock tomorrow and that warning ends, I think we'll finally be done with all this stuff and we'll turn our attention to the cold. Coming up, we're going to look hour by hour. We'll talk about the ice and the snow, and we'll look at the rest of your weekend. That's coming up in just a bit. Katie?
Let's go inside.
Yeah,
Thanks,
please.
Guys. KIMT News 3 has team coverage of every aspect of this winter storm. From our Storm Team 3 meteorologists to our reporters in the field, we're looking at this thing from the ground.